This is the largest statement piece I've ever made. It's over 160 carats. I mined these 2 gems at Columbia 23 mine just outside of Las Vegas. Heating a piece this size can be tricky. While soldering, you gotta heat the entire piece, and once it flows, move to the outside of the bezel to draw the solder underneath your seam. This is my first time using this pattern strip, which is really nice. However, it's very thick and acts like a heat sink, so all our heat is being sucked into that bar. Now that I see my bezel's pretty well adhered, I'm going to put a lot of emphasis on heating both the back and the front of this pattern strip bar. Pin it down into place, and it looks good.